I'm Drew and welcome to my channel, The So-So Seamstress. If you're new here, this channel is documentation of my journey into all things sewing related with a special focus and love for vintage fashion and hopefully soon some historical sewing as well. So based on this box, and I'm sure the title, you're aware that this is an unboxing video. I've never done a video like this before, so if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. And if you're interested in joining me on my journey, then feel free to subscribe as well. If you hit the notification bell, you will be notified whenever I post a new video, which I'm trying to do more regularly now that there's 600 of you here, so thank you for that. I appreciate all your support. Things are about to get a little bit more interesting now that I have this baby. This sewing machine is a Baby Lock Brillant, and so if you're aware of Baby Locks, you know they're a little bit pricey, so I decided to treat myself, invest in myself, and finally upgrade from the ones you see behind me. Are these. My very first one was a Singer, my second upgrade was a Brother, and now I've moved on to the Baby Lock Brillant. So I'm gonna jump into the unboxing of her, seeing what's all in the box and what it's gonna take to get her set up and get going, and I'm going to share all of that with you guys. So I hope you decide to stick around and sit through the video and see exactly what the Baby Lock Brillant has in store for us. Paper and package scissors, because I never use my fabric shears for anything other than fabric, and I hope that you don't as well. So, dun da da da. Dun da da. That's Maverick and Major. They're excited for mommy as well. Dun, dun, dun. So, the very first thing I see when I open the box is a 60-day trial to Baby Lock sewing classes.
Are you ready?
And this looks like presser feet and some other tools. Power cord. Sewing parts. I'm not sure what those are called. And then that stuff. Oh, she's kind of heavy. She's gorgeous though. Let's see what's in the box. You always want to dig deep, throw anything away. We got a cover, a very thick instruction manual. Oh, and I did almost throw this out. There's something inside of here.
Yeah.
Not sure what that is. So that's everything out of the box. Is included, even though it has the start stop push button features. Also notice how bright the light and the LCD screen are, which is super helpful. There are 190 stitches included and 10 one-step buttonhole styles. This is the hands-free knee lift that will lift the presser foot up and down. This Baby Lock Brillant has 190 built-in stitches, and they're shown inside of the top lid. I did purchase a kit of additional presser feet, but it came with these, and as you can see, it's a lot already. This machine just has so many functions. You can start and stop sewing, position the needle up or down, cut the thread, and reverse sew with just the push of these buttons here. This is the first machine I've purchased that came with a cover, and I never covered those machines, but I will definitely be covering this one. I plan to have this machine for a very long time. I'm going to do everything that I can to protect it and prolong its lifespan. And that includes regular maintenance that your machine should get at least once every year and a half. I'm not completely sure about the warranty that it comes with, but I'm definitely going to be looking into that and registering it on the Baby Lock website. Over some basic things with the LCD. So this shows the presser foot. This shows a stitch preview. The box here shows the stitch category, and then the number shows the stitch number. And so when it looks like this, it's utility stitch. And then that's the stitch number. Then you have your width and length. You can adjust the settings on this machine for it to either start or stop with the needle up or down, and you can create different patterns with the stitches and save them as well. Changes, you would hit the button here. And you can see the page number changing, and then use these up and down to go up and down the page. And so now I'm going to try and wind a bobbin for the first time. It's also equipped with a quick set bobbin winder. The thread is held in place and it stops automatically when the bobbin is full. And there's a diagram at the top with numbers that is super helpful and self-explanatory in regards of how and where to take the thread to wind the bobbin, as well as thread the needle, which it does automatically and pretty simply. For some reason, I love that this display shows winding bobbin thread. And it's a quick set drop-in bobbin. Simply drop your bobbin in the machine, pull your threads through the slot, and the machine will do the rest. It has measurements on the plate as well as this lid. It even has the automatic needle threader. I just don't know how to use it just yet. And so my new baby is all threaded and ready to go. And if you leave this, when the knee control is pressed over, it'll stay up. And then when you release it, it will drop down. And then start and stop. It cuts the threads for you. And then really good. Adjust the speed here. Threads cut for you. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I hope that was at least somewhat informative. If you give me a little while to go through a project or two, I will definitely do a more detailed review and demo of the Baby Lock. At this point, I've had it for about an hour. And a lot of that's been running in and out of the room chasing after my kids. So after a few good projects that give me a little more insight to this machine, then I'll feel more qualified to give you guys my real honest thoughts and opinions on this machine. But so far, so good. I'm super excited to get started on a project with it. It does a lot. I think it's gonna definitely be time and process of just learning it and all that it's capable of, and I can definitely help the professionalism and quality of my projects. So I'm excited. Look for that review and look for more videos on my channel. I hope that you guys decide to subscribe, and if you like this video. Also provide me any feedback, questions, suggestions, thoughts for future videos. Any of that, I'll be greatly appreciative, just as I am for you watching this one. So I'll see you in the next video that's soon and sure to come.